How to make money on Freelancer as a business consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a business owner or an individual looking for a business consultant, I will just come to this platform and go to hire freelancers, click on by skill, and here I'm going to search for the skill I'm searching for. So here we have lawyers, manufacturers, financial experts, and all sorts of skills. So let's go with financial experts. And here, as you can see, hire financial experts for any job. So here you can see their profiles. Let's click on see more financial experts. And we're not actually looking for financial experts. We just wanted to reach this page where we're going to enter another search for other freelancers who are business consultant. And click on search. So here we have business plan, financial model, feasibility. We have accounting, Excel, data entry, research writing, business plans, finance, accounting. And here you can see their profile, the skills that they can perform, where are they from, how much they're getting paid per hour. You can check their profile to see their reviews, the stars that they've got. So you can check everything about their profile and you can decide the one that fits your requirements and your job or project. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people to showcase your skills as well, and you might get hired by anyone or a business owner who checks your profile and finds it fitting his requirements. So let's go back to the main page. Let's go back to the main page in here to show you how you can create your own profile. And here click on earn money freelancing, and then fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on I agree to the freelancer user agreement and privacy policy. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. And let's give it a few seconds to load. And it's loading. Give it some time, and here you will proceed to your dashboard. It's where you're going to change everything about your profile. You can change anything you don't like about your profile. So here, go to your top right, click on this button in here, and here you can see everything about your account and your finances as well. So here we have, you can view your profile, membership, account analytics, bid insights, settings. And for the finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, you can make or check your transaction history, check your financial dashboard, your payment sharing. You can also go to support or invite friends. By clicking on this link, you're going to have your own link to invite friends, or if you want to log out from the platform. So let's go up and let's go to view profile. And here you will be able to edit everything about your profile. As you can see, our profile looks pretty empty. We have nothing in it, 0 reviews, 0 likeliness, no money, no jobs completed, nothing on budget. So we have nothing on it. The first is click on edit profile. And as you can see, you will need first to verify your email. That's required in order to edit your profile. After that, make sure to upload a profile picture, and same thing with your cover photo, make sure to upload one as well, because no one will work with a freelancer who doesn't have any profile picture in his profile. Then after you're done with those pictures, then you proceed to the verifications. So here join make sure to join to be a member of their elite group of the best freelancers. Same thing with verifying your identity. Make sure to verify it, and identity not verified through a government issued ID check and the proof of address. And here we have the payment verified, not verified, to have a valid payment method. For the phone number not verified as well. So make sure to verify all of these things, and also make sure to connect your Facebook account. And if you are asking why I need to verify all of those things, well, simply by verifying these things, you will gain more trust and credibility in this platform. And if you gain more trust and credibility, you will be suggested for more clients, and you will make eventually more money. And when you're done with those verifications, choose your hourly rate, then enter your professional headline, and also type a summary for your profile. It's where you're going to describe yourself, the skills that you can perform, and anything else about you. Then you proceed to enter in your top skills. So let's change those skills. So here, let's remove those selected skills, and as you can see, you can select up to 20 skills. So make sure to select the skills that you can perform or you can do. So here, let's go with business consultant. It seems like we can't find anything. We have business consulting in here. We have business cards, consulting, coaching. You can choose coaching as well. And we have business analysis, business plans, business writing, development, business intelligence, coaching, strategy, management, analytics, business requirements, consulting, central business plan writing. So I think that's all for the skills. So when you're done with the skills, scroll down and click on save to save those adjustments. Then you proceed to add in your portfolio. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet. So make sure to add your portfolio, and then add your experience. No experience have been added. Same thing with education, qualifications, and publications as well. All of those things will help your profile gain more trust. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.